Sinisilip ngayon ng Korte Suprema ang ilang tinayong Hall of Justice na ginawa ng ilan sa 15 kontratista na ka-corner ng mga flood control projects sa bansa.
There were projects that were included in the budget for some of our halls of justice which were outside the judiciary's budget. And therefore, for some of them, these were built by DPWH. The Justice in charge, Justice Samuel Garland, reported briefly to the Chief Justice, and I witnessed the report, that he is looking at several projects that were funded by some contractors that were listed.
Ayon kay Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Marvic Leonen, karamihan naman daw sa mga proyektong Hall of Justice ay kumpleto at tatapos na. Hindi naman ni Leonen na dapat makipagtulungan ng Korte Suprema sa gobyerno para labanan ang katiwalian. Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.